Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join eBay affiliate program. First of all, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and go all the way down right over here. In this area, which is called the footer, I guess. Yep, it is the footer of the page. So in this area, if I went to the sales category or menu, you'll find here the sub menus that are saying start selling, how to sell, business sales, and affiliates. In this case, I'm going to click on affiliates. In my case, I would go ahead and click on it, and I'm going back to this page. This is eBay Partner Network. All you need to do now is, of course, before applying, you should own something that could give a proof to eBay Partner Network platform so they can actually accept you as a partner. Of course, I'm not going to create a new Facebook account or a new Instagram account with 0 followers, 0 posts, and 0 niche and try to get a partner with them. I should have a need that I'm talking about. I should have a community that are following me. Even if you had 100% daily commenting on your blogs, commenting on your Insta reels, and liking your videos, this could be a potential plus for you so you could get accepted because every person can be a buyer on eBay. So this is why they really need a community that is very active. For example, you could accept someone with 1,000 followers that are active and leave someone with 100K followers that are not active at all. So this is something to take in consideration. So your chances are very high in case you had a very active community. All you need to do next is to simply sign up here, fulfill the informations, give them the proofs, screenshots, and the link to your social networks or website in case you had a blog, and simply they will respond to you after viewing and analyzing your application. So that was it. See you guys in the next video.